Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If the doors on your Whirlpool French door refrigerator suddenly look uneven, do not close smoothly, or one side seems lower than the other, you are definitely not the only one dealing with it. Sometimes this happens after moving the refrigerator, cleaning underneath it, or simply over time as the appliance settles into place. A small door alignment issue can make opening and closing feel awkward and may even affect how properly the doors seal. The good part is that adjusting the doors on a Whirlpool French door refrigerator is usually much easier than expected once you know where the adjustment points are located. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help adjust Whirlpool French door refrigerator doors correctly. Try these. Step 1. Close both doors on the Whirlpool French door refrigerator and check which side feels uneven. Step 2. Look near the bottom hinge area of the Whirlpool French door refrigerator for adjustment points. Step 3. Adjust the lower hinge on the Whirlpool French door refrigerator slowly if one door sits lower. Step 4. Recheck alignment on the Whirlpool French door refrigerator after each small adjustment. Step 5. Open and close the Whirlpool French door refrigerator doors to test movement. Step 6. Confirm the Whirlpool French door refrigerator doors now line up and seal smoothly again.